Well, thank you so much for taking this step today. Honestly, just clicking this video alone shows that you are really committed to giving your child a massive advantage in today's digital world. Because my name is Seri Moses, and you can call me Coach Henry. So I recorded this video for you, so you can actually see my face, feel my energy, and also know the real person who will be guiding your child. Now, let me be honest for a moment. Technology is everywhere, so your teenager either learns to use the tools the right way or get left behind. And that is why I created this Teens Digital Skill Bootcamp, where I focus strictly on hands-on practical learning. Your child will learn how to first master AI tools for smarter learning and study habits, use digital productivity software to manage schoolwork, build real digital projects, and also develop modern skill that prepares your child for future opportunities. And listen to me, if you don't have a laptop currently, don't let that hold you back for a single second. Look at my phone. Let me off this. Look at my phone. Hold on 1 minute. I want to off my light. Now look at my phone. This is my phone, right? Can you see it? So this is how it's displaying, right? It's displaying as a PC. Now this phone, because it's displaying as this is a phone, right? So that shows that there's no limitation. So that shows that there's no limitation. This is my phone. So let me switch on the lights back. So that's it. So as you can see, I'm going to show you a simple way of using your phone, turning your phone just like a desktop, just like a laptop interface. So your child will practice real skills. So it's not just pressing phone, it will be like desktop display screen. And this is I everything will be done virtually. So with live classes every single day, plus an active community where we'll discuss every question every time. So there's no time to be left behind. So what you do for me first is to first hit the button, subscribe to this channel, because that's where all the recorded classes will be held. So, and also help me check the description, click the description below this video. You'll see more, and follow every instruction that is done there, that is pasted there. Also, make sure you click on the Selar button. You see the Selar link, every link. Make sure you help me. Please rate this, rate it 5 star, because so that it can push it and also help me gain more visibility. And also, your child is in the right hand, because you will see the original, you will see real growth. And also, when you click on the Seller link, you will see the slashed price. So that price is, you are not paying the slashed price, you are paying just half. Just follow the instruction. All the instructions are given. Once you click on more, you see how it is done. So you are not just paying, you are not paying all, you are paying half. So you are paying the slashed price. So before you complete any enrollment, kindly please do have the 5 star ratings. It will help boost the course and also make it more visible. You will see all the bank details, all the other details, and if you need any other instruction, any other help, kindly reach out to me. So with the right guidance and through the help of God, there is bound to be greatness and progress, and you will definitely see a real result. You will definitely see your child learning real practical skill, and also turning, not just um, digitally but academically. It will be, there will be great improvement, and that is the most important thing. That's the most important thing. So I will stop this video right here. Make sure you follow the instruction, and also I'll see the both of you, because the two of you are the one learning this particular learning with me. So thank you for watching, and do have a nice day. Thank you.